A pointer is merely an address of where a datum or structure is stored. All pointers are typed based on the type of entity they point to. To declare a pointer, we use star preceding the variable name. Say for example, to declare an integer pointer, I use int star x. To set a pointer to a variable's address, we use the symbol ampersand before the variable as shown here. X is equal to address of y. Ampersand means return the memory address of. In this example, x will now point to y, that is x stores y's address. If you access x, you merely get the address. To get the value that x points to, we use star, as in star x. Star x is equal to star x plus 1 will add 1 to y. Here star is known as the indirection or dereferencing operator because it requires a second access. That is, this is a form of indirect addressing. Now see the example here. Here I have declared x is equal to 1, y equal to 2 and an array z. Int star p, ip. Here ip is an pointer to int. So it means that it can point to x, y or an element of the array z. ip is equal to address of x. Now here ip points at the location where x is stored. Now y is equal to star ip. Set y equal to the value pointed to by ip, or say y equal to x. Star ip equal to 0, that is now we are going to change the value that ip points to. It is changed to 0, so now the value of x is set to 0. ip is equal to ampersand z of 0, so ip points to the first location in the array z. Star ip equal to star ip plus 1, the value of z of 0 is incremented. Now coming to the program here, I'm just printing the value of x. Okay, it will output as 3. Now y, which has the address of x, when you display this, it will seem like some random number which is x address. When I say star x, which is the value at the address referred by y, it gives the value 3. Similarly, star y plus 1 will output the value 4, and star of y plus 1, this outputs the item after x in the memory, and